It's 4:30. Good day, folks. The goal today is to get as much black sands dirt as I can, bring it home, process it, go through the material with you. I'm going to show you a couple clean outs throughout the day, but for the most part, today's all about digging. I'm set up right here, and I'm going to dig out this little tiny channel. I dug a hole here before. This was, I don't know, 3 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago. There's a big hole in here. There was decent gold in it. I set up some little rocks right here so my tailings won't fall back into the hole that I'm digging this way. I was just able to roll that rock out of the hole. That freed up a lot of space. But check this out. This thing looks like a perfect loaf. You get a rock, a bunch of garnets in it. Alright, I'm going to do a clean out just to make sure I'm on gold in this little section over here. I want to tell you a quick story. That pan right there, I got up to Vermont yesterday, didn't have my pan in my truck, left it in my basement. I texted Scott from 802 Outdoor Adventures. I said, hey buddy, is there a place I can buy a pan around here? Within 5 minutes, he texted me back saying, my wife just left the pan near the garage for you. I went to his house, picked it up. He saved my butt. Really appreciate it, Scott. Thank you. This thing is turning into a triple decker. We've got the pool, the low area, and then the tailings. So I want to show you how this is kind of working out. This is all dammed up. This is all pooled right here. So we got plenty of flow. This is cleaning out some of the gravel, some of the overburden on what I'm digging. And then here's all my tailings. And then I finally got to a point under there. I was able to flip this rock up, open up a little swale, and I'm riding the shovel on top of clay the whole entire way down there. So I'm trying to clean all this out to almost bare clay. So I'm going to have to grab the bucket and the scooper and start scooping off the bottom. I'm on all clay right now. This is just gravels on top. So coming out of the hole over here, there's this big slabby rock. I don't know if this is bedrock. It's pretty big. I think it is bedrock. But I'm riding down that way and back into where the hole is. Just trying to work my way back to that clay bed. So let's do a clean out right now and just make sure that we're still on gold. So there's a couple small pieces right there. And then I lost, I don't know, 3 or 4 pieces down here. But basically it's in the top layer and the middle layer, scraping off that clay didn't produce much gold, so we're gonna move on. All right, here's the plan. I'm gonna jump back into the hole that I started last time I was here. I'm gonna work my way up that way. I'm gonna run about 20, 25 shovels, then check it, see if there's still gold here. Just ran my second shovel and I already saw a piece of gold sticking. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, right there. And just like that, now there's 2 pieces there. All right, that's 20 shovels, somewhere around there. Let's do a clean out. So we got some pieces, that was 20 shovels. This one looks like it's got mercury on it. There's mercury on a couple of these. That little piece definitely looks like mercury. So the trench that I had going earlier too, though, I still have obviously stuff to bring home and process. I have the top and middle layer of material, so we'll see when we get back to the house what's in that. All right, we're gonna start with 1/4 inch, go through our cons, start breaking this stuff down. All right, next up, 10 mesh. $20 mesh. All right, next up is 30 mesh. So everything's separated. One thing I want to point out, this is the 30 minus. So you can see there's not a lot of material in here. I'm actually very surprised. The 30 plus, not a ton of material for as much that's in here, which got me thinking. This size range is what I was targeting for magnetics, where I was when I was probing. I've checked these two also. For the amount that's in here, there's more magnetics in here than in these smaller amounts. So I may have been right around where the drop was for the heavies.
Are you taking audio on this?
I am taking audio.
You might need my rights on this. I mean, this seems like a lucrative thing.
Tyler, do we have your copyright rights on this one?
Dude, listen, you know, for fear of legal action in the future, I'd like to extend this courtesy to you.
This is too long. Too long for video.
Dude, you want to know what I did last Friday?
Yes. So for the size of the concentrates I brought home, there was a pretty good amount of garnets in there. I didn't save them all. These are just the bigger ones. So here's the gold. Definitely some mercury on this stuff. And then this thing. That little thing is easily as heavy as the gold. It will not leave the pan. It's heavy. No idea what it is. Got a new toy here. So this should come in handy for feeder streams. Little toy. If you enjoyed the episode, give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Be well.